Meaning of dilution.
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 Dilution. Dilution refers to the process of adding more solvent to a solution, which results in a reduction in the concentration of solute. The amount of solute remains the same, but it is dispersed over a greater volume. This leads to a decrease in the overall strength or potency of the solution. Dilution can be intentional or unintentional and is often used in various industries, such as medicine, chemistry, and manufacturing. In biological systems, dilution can also occur naturally as cells grow and divide, leading to a decrease in the concentration of certain molecules within the cell.